Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my Matchbox collection and my AirAsia playset. So first I'm going to be showing you my Matchbox collection. So this is a bike which has 4 wheels on it, and it's pretty nice. It's the color green. And did you know that Matchbox is actually the same company which makes Hot Wheels? I mean, Hot Wheels makes Matchbox, I think so, but they named it Matchbox instead of Hot Wheels. So yeah, uh, so this was a bike, and this is I kind of a Jeep. It says R3 Con 569 4x4. I mean, it doesn't say 4x4, but yeah, let's assume that it says JR. Here also it says that, and on the bottom its name is 4x4 buggy. I mean, this 4x4, which means 4x4 or 4 into 4 buggy. So yeah, this is kind of a Jeep, I think so, right? I mean, they're saying it is a buggy, so yeah. So, and we have 2 police cars here. So this one has police on it on the side, and it says MBX Unit 586 MBA Police, and it has a siren on the top, and its name is Sport SUV. I mean, it isn't for sport. I mean, a police vehicle is to chase any criminals, right? But that's just my opinion. So this is another police vehicle, I think so, at least. And this side is ruined, but this side isn't. So it says sheriff. So it is a police vehicle. So yeah, we have this open glass roof. I mean, it's not open, but it's pretty nice and clear. And its name is Crime Crusher. And did you know that sometimes when I buy Hot Wheels like flights or something, it under it literally says Matchbox. So it is proof that Hot Wheels owns Matchbox. And I think this is a tow truck maybe, or a fire engine maybe. And it says unit 2. I was about to say 3, but I mean, it's familiar unit 3, but unit 2 isn't. So I was about to say that unit 2 F63, and the car looks pretty nice, and it has I don't know what this is, a siren maybe, or a board that says taxi. I'm just kidding. No. Okay. And this car's name is Ford F550 Super Duty. Okay. So this is a Ford apparently. And moving on to the next vehicle, we have a fire engine, which is really one. And on the side it says MBX station number 1. Oh, now I figured out what MBX is. Matchbox. Matchbox. I don't know what X means. So yeah, and we have something on the back here. I don't know what, but it's black. And here's the ladder. And here's some things, and its name is Seagrave Fire Engine, the classic one, Seagrave Fire Engine. Okay, yeah, I think this is a real fire engine which existed. And this is the travel tracker. Its name is literally travel tracker. Can you see that? I know its name because I tried this video. Yeah, I know its name. So yeah, wait. I didn't realize this until now that there's a bike in front of the vehicle. Wow, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. I like this car so much than any everything. I mean, it's not a car, but it is a toy, right? Toy truck. Yeah, that's better. And we have some seats inside. So yeah, it's pretty nice. And we have some things on the roof like rope, a shovel, a first aid kits, and yeah. The next car is actually this car. It has nothing on it, but it has a wing and headlights. I why I scratched this car is because I was checking if there's any stickers as headlights, and no, it was actually tattoo maybe. And the window we don't have a window, and its name is Lotus Exige. Lotus Exige 2. That's it. Lotus Exige. Wait, what? Lotus Exige. Okay, I was not wrong. I thought, why would a flower's name be a car's name? So that's why I read it three times. And the next car is also blue, which says on the side Dynamax, right? No, it says Gyno M8X, and it's pretty nice, and it has an open rooftop or something, and it has some headlights, and its name is probably Ridge Raider. Its name is Ridge Raider. Okay, it's a pretty cool name. And does it have a steering wheel? Let's try to check. Okay, I'm gonna check it. Yeah, there is, but it's here, there, yeah, here. And the next final car is literally really a tow truck, which I can tow this car now, right? Oh, wait, I'm gonna try another car. This one. I mean, it doesn't work, but it's nice. And it's yellow, my second favorite color. My first favorite color is red, and it says MBX City 24/7. It means 24/7. Okay, so this says the number 444, and which means 444, or yeah, that's it. And its name is GMC Record. So this tow truck's name is GMC Wrecker. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. Bye guys.